From the historic high streets of London to the bustling markets of Manchester, the spirit of British enterprise has always been defined by innovation, resilience, and a brilliant idea. Today, that spirit lives online. Whether you're a passionate artisan working from a flat in Shoreditch or an established brand looking to scale, the tools to succeed are right at your fingertips. Enter Shopify, the all-in-one commerce platform trusted by hundreds of thousands of businesses across the UK. We provide the foundation so you can focus on what you do best, building your brand. Launching your dream store has never been simpler. With customizable, mobile-optimized themes and an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, you can create a stunning online presence without writing a single line of code. But we know your customers aren't just in one place. That's why Shopify lets you sell seamlessly across multiple channels, from your website to Instagram, TikTok, and even your physical shop floor with Shopify POS. And you're never building alone. The Shopify App Store boasts over 13,000 apps to extend your store's functionality. Need advanced email marketing, Royal Mail shipping integrations, or seamless accounting? There's an app for that. Thinking bigger? Take your British brand to the world. With Shopify Markets, you can easily localize your store, offering seamless checkouts in local currencies, calculating international taxes, and managing global shipping with ease. During your biggest sales events, reliability is everything. Shopify's world-class infrastructure offers an industry-leading uptime of 99.99%. Our secure checkout is the highest converting on the internet, turning more browsers into buyers. Some of Britain's most beloved modern brands, from Gymshark to countless independent boutiques, trust Shopify to power their growth. Last year, Shopify merchants generated billions of pounds in sales, driving the UK economy forward. The future of commerce is being built right now, right here in the UK. Whether you're making your first sale or your millionth, Shopify is the partner you need to turn your